I didn't think it was this bad, but it is. So today we are back. This is episode 3, maybe, of my 1991 Honda Z50R. And today we're going to be attempting to use this JB Weld tank weld for this tank. Because if you didn't see the last video, you see that daylight down there? Yeah, that would be a hole in the tank. And of course, it's not going to hold fuel if there's a hole in the tank. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be pulling this tank off and seeing how much is really bad and what needs to be repaired. And it seems like this JB Weld tank weld kit is going to be the ticket. So from watching videos, you have a packet in there that has the 2-part epoxy. I think the instructions say basically to like split the bag and mix it all together. But from all the videos I've watched, evidently, number one, it gets really hot when you mix it. And number two, it sets in like 5 minutes, which is not a long time to do a repair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it separately like I do my normal JB Weld, like a piece of cardboard or something. That way I'm not wasting a whole pack of this at one time. So I'm not sure how this tank comes off, but I'm going to get it off. And if you see this seat, what's left of it, I will be replacing the foam and the seat cover probably in the next video. I have the seat cover and I also have the seat foam. So it's going to be getting new seat foam, new seat cover, but using the same plastic pan. And this will be probably the video after this. So I'm gonna get this tank off, get it on my workbench, and we're gonna see how bad this tank really is. And here we have 1991 Z50 tank. Let's take a look under here. And oh, can y'all hear that? It's all rust. Now, Jesus Christ. All right, well, yeah, that's a hole. That is a hole. And it looks like we have a hole over here. So it's looking like I need to try to bend that back in flat. And it seems like I'm going to clear all the paint basically off of that kidney section and from that kidney section. And I'm just going to be repairing just these whole sections here because do I have... It looks like, oh shoot, yeah. So yeah, oh God, oh Jesus, oh my goodness, oh, yep. So yeah, I'm gonna be basically repairing it from here over, and yeah, from here. Because yeah, that's that. So this has like a weave material in there, and you place the weave material down, and then you take the JB Weld 2-part epoxy and place it on top of it. And once I'm done with it, I'm going to mask off the area that I did, and I'm going to just put like some gloss white paint over it so that way it kind of blends in. But hopefully the sides of the tank are fine. But of course, this is going to be your bad area because this is where all the gas and moisture is going to sit, right in the bottom of the tank. I didn't think it was this bad, but it is. So I'm going to take my metal wheels right here on a drill, and I'm just going to take my time and just slowly work and get all of this paint off so that I can see exactly how much and how extensive the damage may be. Whew. All right, so this is not good. That's all holes. Holy, holy, holy. And of course, we knew about all of that. And then you can see the side there. And the other side is not as bad. So, yeah. So at this point, the cheapest OEM tank on eBay that's in decent shape is $250. So I'm gonna try to repair this. This is what I just shook out of the tank. This is what I've done so far. I've taken the JB Weld and I filled in the small holes and the pinholes. I'm going to go ahead and do the fiberglass mat. I'm gonna cut it probably just like ½ an inch bigger than this area here, and go ahead and seal this up, let it dry, and then we're gonna fill it up. I haven't seen anybody else do it this way, but I want to ensure that I got all the spots done, because I've seen people use this tank repair, but I haven't seen anybody use it on something that was quite like this. So I'll be back once the leak test is done, and we will go over whether we have leaks or not. Well, still got some leaks. You know, way less leaks than what it would have had before, but still some leaks. Look like 2 spots from the right side and maybe 1 spot from the left side. We are getting there. We are getting there. But for right now, I'm going to take a break, and I'm going to go ahead and put the tires and tubes on. So I'm going to start that, and then I will come back and work on this tank. We are back. This is about a week later, by the way. So what I did, that I ordered 2 more kits for 3 kits total. I've taken this one and I've cut it out to match up to that, and I will take some extra and put it on the inside. I had another small section that might be that's going to go there, and then this section was pre-cut to go here. Maybe this goes there. I don't know. I'm missing one somewhere. I have another one that goes right there I need to find before I start. Then I have some little miscellaneous pieces that I can put somewhere else. So basically what I'm going to do, because now I have 3 kits of these, is that, so the instructions tell you to like squeeze so it pops and mixes. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to be probably stupid, and I'm going to mix it all in here, and then I'm going to take the first packet. I'm going to just basically just glob this up and then lay the fiberglass on top of it. Then I'll take the second packet, mix it, and then glob it on top of the fiberglass. I'm probably going to add a little bit more to the sides if I have some extra, and then let it sit and hope after that we don't have any more leaks. This is more so for entertainment than it is for education. Just kind of showing you like one of the extremes of this is what the tank looked like, and this did or did not fix your leak issue, basically. Because if you look at this video, you have something that needs to not leak anymore. So let's get to what might be a very bad idea, and that also may be very time consuming to not work in the end. have this. Go ahead, mix up the second bag and just goop it over top. If this leaks after this, then this tank just really wants to leak. It better not leak after this. I'm gonna be highly upset. I mean, that's how it looks for now. I will be back once everything cures, and we will throw some water in it and hope it doesn't leak. I hope it doesn't leak. I hope it doesn't leak. I don't know how much more I can say that. But yeah, this looks terrible. I'm gonna let it sit overnight. It's 5:21 now. So I don't know, maybe in 4 or 5 hours, I'll come back out here, throw some water in it, see what happens. Maybe see if this bad boy holds water like a boat in the ocean, or if it floats like the Titanic. All right, here we are. It is 11:15 at night, and it seems like everything is nice and hard. So let's add water, and let's see if we see any leaks. Oh yeah. And we will see if the paper towel is wet anywhere when we come back. It is 12:35, so about an hour later, and let's see if the paper towel is wet. And the paper towel is dry. Now we do have a wet spot here, but that is from the petcock. So it seems like the petcock has just a very slow leak. If you are asking yourself, can you save your tank with the JB Weld tank weld kit, I'm going to say yes. It hasn't leaked in an hour. That means it's not going to leak. So more than likely, if you're looking at this video, it is because your tank is rusted and you would rather fix it than replace it. And this is shown that it works. So I bought 3 kits, but I really used 2 kits worth of JB Weld, and I guess technically 3 kits worth of the fiberglass mat. So I probably could have got away with just 2 kits, to be honest. Like it's about trying to be proactive and fix the big hole that was on the left side of the tank. So hopefully this video will help you. I had a good experience with this kit. This video is not sponsored whatsoever, but I will have a affiliate link to Amazon where I bought these kits, and today is December the 10th. I think the kit prices were like $11.99, so it will fluctuate in your market and all that fun stuff, but this bad boy is not leaking. Oh, so I am thrilled. Now I need to go and clean this tank up, clean it up real good like I got the rest of the bike cleaned. And I am going to take some white paint and paint the bottom of the tank to try to make that look a little bit better. And then on the Z50 it goes, along with the bottle panels, the seat that I recovered, as well as the fresh tubes and tires that are on the OEM wheels. So it is time to get this bad boy put back together the next video and then go on our first ride. So if you like this content, like, subscribe, share, and always remember to think, build, and enjoy. So until next time, guys, rust, holes, and JB Weld. Peace.